Hello everyone, Harry Baldock here, editor for Total Telecom. We're here on the morning of day 2 of Connected Britain and I'm joined by Mikael Sandberg, chairman of VX Fibre. Mikael, how are you finding the conference so far?
I'm finding a real buzz this year, and I mean, people longing to come back, and this has been fulfilling all our expectations. Brilliant.
And of course you hosted the local authority forum yesterday, the day before Connected Britain started. Oh no, 2 days ago, it's my mistake.
2 days, yeah.
And that was obviously a really big success from what I hear. Can you tell us more about that?
A tremendous success. We've looked at what really is holding the UK back, and we think that local authorities have a really important they are players here and are really important participants. So we wanted to invite them and hear their voices. Now, they told us that they often meet with DCMS, but they're being spoken to. This was the first time their voices were heard directly to the industry.
And of course there are a lot of challenges when it comes to rolling out fibre. What do you think are the biggest ones for the UK?
Well, actually, it's the mindset of people. So both local authorities, to get them to understand that they have such an important role to play. And secondly, is in the mindset of the consumer. Sometimes we find that almost half of the people where we are putting fibre in are asking, why do we need fibre? We already have it. But they've been missold that from BT, the super fast fibre, etc. So in the mindset of people, that is where the challenge lies.
Lots of education still needed, of course. And your home market for VX Fibre is Sweden. What kind of lessons have you learned from Sweden that can be applied to the UK?
Well, one of the big lessons from Sweden is that public and private need to work closely together to achieve the outcomes and the benefits that both society and individuals need.
In terms of the next 12 months for VX Fibre, what does that look like for you? Where would you like to be in this time next year, say?
Well, we think that the business cases and the use cases, particularly in the public sector, will come to the fore. So we expect more local councils to be more active in the fibre space, and we really encourage that.
Mikael, it's been great to speak to you. Thank you very much for your time today.
My pleasure. Thank you.